Hi, we're just coming down from the hike to Cypress Lake. That's in Coquitlam. 9 kilometers, about 600 meters of elevation. Took us about close to 5 hours to get up there and back with a 4-year-old. We probably spent about 40-45 minutes next to the lake. It's a nice hike. I'd rate it probably at 4 stars. There is another viewpoint you can get to. We didn't go there. We wanted to make it all the way to the lake. We didn't meet any bears. So for us, it was a good exercise. The lake is cute, nothing super special. There is only one place you can get close to the lake, and of course we had our drone so we can get a really good bird's eye view, and that was magnificent. So for us it was worth it. If you guys are hiking for an exercise, pretty tough I'd say. Still I would rate it as a medium because there is a road, the gravel road, but still there is a road. Once again, it's worth it, but I strongly recommend to have hiking poles when you're getting down because like right now I didn't have my hiking poles with me and my knees are dead. We are at the trailhead and this is how trailhead looks like. That's fine that the gate is closed. It's just for the vehicles. You can get right through it and right up the trail this way. If you like our hikes and you like our videos, please don't forget to click that like button and click subscribe so you would never miss another hike.